Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad, and today our class is about 듣기 and 읽기 of chapter number 14. Question number 1 and 2. 다음 next 내용 content gua with 관계 있는 relation with 그림 picture 코로 십시오 select. 내려오다 is come down. So our answer is at number 2. Question number 2. 왼쪽으로 가요. 왼쪽 is left side. Go to the left side. Our answer is at number 4. Question number 3. 다음 내용과 next content 관계 있는 relation causal object corresponding select. RA is under. This is Vichy location. Kukchok is nationality, Chimi is hobby, and Khajuk is family. So RA is a location, that's why Vichy our answer. Now question number 4. Thom next chung between Mitchell underline. Chin bubun that part. Marginan better. Munjang sentence Koro shipsho select. Number 1. Yogi a here. Irami name. 이름이 쓰세요. 여기에 이름이 쓰세요. This is wrong because 여기에 이름을 쓰세요. This is correct. Number 2. 2층으로 올라가세요. This is our correct answer because 2층으로 올라가세요 is go to the second floor. Number 3. 여기에서 손에 씻으세요. This is wrong because correct is 여기에서 손을 씻으세요. Number 4. 사무실 안에서 들어오세요. This is wrong because correct is 사무실 안에 들어오세요. Come to the office. Now we have question number 5. Thom next कल paragraph. 읽고 read and 내용 content 같은 것 is similar object 고르십시오 select. 한국에서 in Korea 도로 is road, 면 is name. 도로면 road name. 주소 address. 사용 use 합니다. Korea use road name for addresses. 도로의 이름 is road name. 기준 is standard. 으로 주소 is address. 표기 is show. 하기 때문에 because in Korea road name shown as address 때문에 because 쉽게 easily 위치 location 파악 is understand 할 수 있습니다 you can because of road name for addresses you can easily understand the location. 한국에 in Korea 도로면 road name 주소 address 영어 is English 주소 address 표기 is show 방식 is method 탈리 is different. Korean road name and addresses format is different from English. 도시면 first of all 도시면 is city name. 구 is district. 도로면 is road name. And Khonmul. After that, the last is Khonmul Ponho, building number. If there are no buildings, there are units, then at the last, we have Khachi, similar, Khun, big. Thanvi is unit. A so from big to Chakkan Thanvi is small unit. Sun so is number. Pyogi Hamnida as shown. So in Korea, address starting from city name, then district name, then road name, and after that in the last building name. If there are no buildings, units of houses, then from big unit to small unit. This is the way of addresses in Korea. Now we go to our answers. 한국에 in Korea, 도로면 주소 is road name address. Sunan sunso is writing condition. Yongo English wa with English khatsamnida similar. In Korea, road name addresses are written format is similar with English. This is wrong because we know Thali. Thali is different. Number 2, 한국의 도로면 주소. Korean road name address. Pogo after C. Killal 찾는 is address searching. Kosan 쉽지 않습니다. Not easy. After search Korean road address is not easy to locate a location. This is wrong. Number 3. 한국의 도로면 주소. Korean road name address. Toshi is city. Iram name. Pyogi is show. Haji 안습니다. Not showing. This is also wrong. 한국의 도로면 주소. Korean road name addresses. 콘물 building. 폰호 number. 가장 the most. 나중에 is last. 나옵니다. It comes. This is our correct answer because after that the last is building number if there are no units. Now we have 듣기 of chapter number 14. Let's listen.
1번부터 2번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Question number 1 and 2. 다음 next 듣고 listen. 물음에 is question. 알맞은 better. 대답 is answer. 고르십시오. select.
1번 병원이 어디에 있어요?
병원이 어디에 있어요? Where is hospital?
1. 병원이 있어요.
병원이 있어요. There is hospital.
2. 오후에 병원에 가요.
오후에 병원에 가요. After PM, I will go to hospital.
3. 마트 맞은편에 있어요.
마트 맞은편에 있어요. The hospital is opposite to mart. This is our correct answer.
4. 마트는 여기에서 멀어요.
마트는 여기에서 멀어요. Mart is very far from here. This is wrong.
2번 은행에 어떻게 가요?
은행에 어떻게 가요? How I can go to bank?
1. 환전하러 은행에 가요.
환전하러. This is currency exchange. 은행에 가요. I go to bank for currency exchange.
2. 신분증을 가지고 가세요.
신분증을. This is ID card. 가지고 가세요. Go with your ID card.
3. 은행은 4시 반에 문을 닫아요.
은행은 4시 반 is 4:30. 문을 닫아요 is close. The bank will close at 4:30.
4. 편의점 앞에서 오른쪽으로 가세요.
편의점 앞에서 in front of departmental store. 오른쪽으로 가세요. Go to the right side. This is our correct answer.
3번부터 5번까지 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
Question number 3 to 5. 다음 next 듣고 listen. 들은 내용과 is listening content. 관계 있는 relation with. 그림 picture 고르십시오. select.
3번 식당은 몇 층에 있어요?
At which floor restaurant is located?
식당은 2층에 있어요.
Restaurant is at second floor. So our answer is at number 2 because in this building restaurant is at number 2 floor.
4번 자동차가 어디에 있어요?
자동차가 어디에 있어요? Where is your car?
건물 사이에 있어요.
건물 사이에 있어요. 사이 is between. So our answer is number 3.
5번 약국이 어디에 있어요?
약국이 어디에 있어요? Where is pharmacy?
약국이 병원 옆에 있어요.
약국이 병원 옆에 있어요. Pharmacy is next to the hospital, so our answer is at number 1.